Dad and I are determined to get this 1949 Dodge running. That's why we decided to make a part 2. We made a trip back out to Joe's house to pull the head, see what's wrong with it, and see if we can get it running without moving it from where it sits and without buying one single solitary new part. And so far that's been the case. This truck has been abandoned on this property for decades, and we're still running the BF Goodrich spark plugs that were on the truck when it was found. These trucks were built tough, and we're going to utilize all the original equipment to see if it can do what it did 50 years ago. There's a few things we're going to have to do first before we can actually pull the head off. Obviously the plug wires have to come off, radiator hose has to come off, bracket that holds the coil on has to come off, oil filter canister housing is bolted to the head, that's got to come off, and the water temperature sending unit is going to have to come off. But other than that, it should just come right off of there. Are these a 9? I think it is. Yeah. Is that thermostat housing cracked? It looks like it's cracked at the neck.
Rotted out.
Yeah.
Where's the extension?
They're on the fender.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Looked like it moved.
Yeah. Did you take that temperature thing out of there?
No. Probably oughta.
Might want to spray that down. I was going to spray that down.
It came loose.
Oh, that last one I did, the whole thing twisted and broke the temperature line.
Are we trying to turn this?
Yeah. Turn it out of my way. We're gonna need something to put all these headbolts in, because I'll guarantee one of them will get lost.
Guarantee one of them what?
One of them will get lost. Guarantee it. And won't nobody know where it's at. Should come off.
Yeah.
Is all the bolts out?
Up here?
Yeah, everything's out, isn't it?
Unless there's one.
This, I don't know what that is, but I don't think it's a head bolt.
Well, oh, there it came.
It come out?
Yeah, it jostled.
I didn't know if I needed to go get a screwdriver.
No, it jostled right off.
We don't want to mess up that head gasket if we don't have to. Here, you may come over there.
Wait a minute.
Pretty clean inside. Clean.
Not half bad.
That head gasket looks totally reusable.
It's copper.
Yeah. Got it.
Oh, you got it?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Heck yeah. She'll go right back on there. Yeah. But yeah, cylinders 3 and 4 were giving us trouble, and there's 3 and 4, and yeah, got some crap. Yeah, and these two happen to look the worst. See, the inside of this motor don't look too bad, honestly, guys. So this was our culprit. Should probably hook a battery up to it, crank it, see if these valves are opening and shutting at least.
Yeah, well, I think first, let's blow the dirt out or get the dirt out that's in here.
Right.
Because if we can get them to open, we're going to need to run around it with something like that wire wheel or something. But right now I'm kind of curious as to whether they're even doing anything.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. All right, hold on. All right, go ahead. This, the third one, the valve ain't moving at all, so let me,
Ready?
yeah. Yeah, it's working now. Go ahead. All right. Yeah, perfect. You may turn it over so you can clean around them valves?
Probably.
All right.
All right, stop. Okay.
In?
Yeah.
All right. Was there any trash in there?
All right, too much. Bump. Yeah. All right. While we're putting this head back together, make sure you subscribe now to the channel. Only about 6% of the people who view us are subscribers, but we have a lot of return viewers. So let's turn those return viewers into subscribers for the channel. It really helps us out, lets the YouTube algorithm know, hey, let's promote these good old boys. Obviously, people like them. I'd appreciate it. My dad would appreciate it. We have our battery hooked up. We have a 12-volt coil hooked up over there, and we have it hot wired. So we should be able to crank it over, see what happens. Okay. Wait, no. I forgot. I gotta route that oil hose. All right, I put some gas down in there a second ago, so you should be able to try it.
It's close.
Oh, it's definitely gonna go this time. All right.
Ready?
Yeah. All right. There we go. Well, it did it for a second. Should I hook the fuel up to it?
Yeah.
Let's hook our fuel pump up. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Go ahead. Try it again. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
What's that?
Hold on.
It's picking up oil pressure on the gauge in here.
Oh, that's cool. Come on, come on. Ooh.
Almost, huh?
Real close.
Say when.
All right. Yeah, go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah. Stop. Ooh. She ran for a second. Ooh. That was a run.
Yeah.
That was a runner.
Yeah.
I don't know why it quit. It's got fuel, I think. Unless it's pumping nothing.
Is it pumping nothing?
No, it's down in the gas.
I wonder if that carburetor's even letting it go in.
I don't know.
Pour it in the float bowl. Put it again. Yeah, just keep pouring that gas down it.
Go ahead. Give it a sec. I don't know. We're heating everything up. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. We're getting good compression.
Oh, okay. Well, that thing ought to run.
Do it one more time. Let me.
Even that third one?
Go ahead. Yeah. 4 is weaker than 3, and 3 is the one that had the valve sticking. So they're decent. They're decent.
I'd say if that thing had new plugs in it, I bet them plugs are ready.
Oops. Yeah.
Is that coil hooked up?
Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Keep it running. Keep it running.
Come on. Oh.
Hurry,
We did
it. Dang.
That was it.
That was it. Starts it ought to start easier.
Okay, wait.
Oh, okay, I hear it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. She's idling. We don't have the belts hooked up. You can see it down there. She idles good. Look at how sweet that is. I don't hear no noises. Wow. Joe made us a burrito for working on his truck. That's great. What a sweet little motor. After you give us all them problems, you're not too bad.
Don't run it too long.
Yeah, we gotta cut it. There's no cooling or nothing. Time to go get Joe.
Yeah, go get Joe.
Give it a shot.
You ready?
Yeah. It sounds really good, actually.
It doesn't sound bad, though.
It's nice and quiet.
Travis Scott. Oh, man, I want to try this. Oh, Lordy, Lordy. This is a remarkable one, brother.
Sounds great.
Oh, it sounds good, huh?
Sounds good. I like it. It's probably all the longer we want to run it because there's
There's no water running through
there's no coolant. Yeah, the water pump's locked up on it.
it. Yeah.
But man, it runs sweet, actually.